Hi everyone, today I was basically going to do this video and sort of promote this beautiful cast iron cookware, but since I was going to fry some chicken in it, I thought I would just share with you my mother-in-law's wonderful fried chicken recipe. This is the chicken that has been marinated. These are chicken wings, and I'd just like to follow what she used to do. She used to fry chicken wings mostly at weekends, and I used to enjoy them so much. Let me just show you. This is how it looks like. The only addition I've added to her original recipe is I added some yogurt. Let me give you her recipe, guys. Actually going to speak about this beautiful cast iron pot from the brand Casimir, and the fact that it's so heavy duty. It has an enamel coating, and enamel coating is basically enamel is a non-toxic substance, so it's safe to use. I'm very against a lot of cookware that has different kinds of coating. I really don't like that, and I'm very into healthy cookware. I only use stainless steel, clay, and cast iron. So I have cast iron that's not coated with enamel, and this is my first cast iron. It can be called a Dutch oven, and it can also be called it is a casserole. Actually, it's a casserole, but it can also be used as a Dutch oven. It's heavy duty and a powerhouse in the kitchen. And give me a minute, guys. And I was going to speak to you about the benefits of using cast iron, and the fact that you can bake in it, you can roast in it, you can grill in it, you can you can sear meat in it, and especially if it has metal handles like this, and even they have a certain type of plastic which can be put into the oven. So this one is metal, so you can sear meat in it and actually put it into the oven, okay guys, to bake. So there's a lot of things that you can do in cast iron. And another wonderful feature about enameled cast iron, and even normal cast iron, but this particular one is enameled, is the fact that you can fry in it. And frying in cast iron which has been enameled means the heat, it will be very even, and enamel means it's not going to stick. Okay, so those are the benefits of using this beautiful cast iron, which I love. And the color, as you can see, is beautiful. The beautiful aubergine, guys. Okay, they call this color katharipu in Tamil. I love it, absolutely love it. And now let me get back to my mother-in-law's recipe. Sit down, guys, because I'm quite tired standing. My husband and I, we started going out in 1988, and for 7 years we were dating. Okay, and we only got married after 7 years. So we were both doing law. He had finished, and I was studying law, okay, in KL. And the crux of the story is, once it was kind of confirmed that we were going to get married and so on, and we were like together all the time, I was like really welcomed into his household, and very quick chat, okay. And I used to go there at weekends, where the whole family would gather with the grandchildren and everyone, and my mother-in-law would cook up a storm, okay. And very often there would be chicken curry, a salad or something, and this fried chicken, which I so loved. So I got the recipe from her. My mom's recipe is slightly different. This one I really liked, and it does turn a little dark brown, almost like charred, because there's a little bit of sugar inside in her recipe, and some corn flour. Okay, so this is one of those things that she's left to me, because she was a wonderful cook, and a lot of people loved her food. So yeah, so this is kind of like a tribute to my mother-in-law. So let's get to I will put down the recipe, but for now I'm just going to fry it and let you guys see how the cast iron casserole dish works. Cast iron basically takes some time to heat up, but once it has heated, it will retain the heat for a very long time. So if you have cooked a meal or something in here, guys, you can serve it in the meal. First of all, it looks really pretty. I'm heating it up right now, okay. It looks really pretty, and also it retains heat, so your food will be kept warm. I've added some hot oil in here, and while we wait for the oil to heat up, guys, I'm going to take out a pan or a plate or something and line it with some kitchen towels. Okay, now I'm going to put in I'm going to put the wings in first. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just put one more. 5. Oh, let's just put 6, guys. Okay, 6 wings in there. The wing part. Even cover it for a short while, guys, and don't move it straight away. You need it to cook and then release from the bottom, and then you can move it. Okay, now I'm just going to turn them around, and being enamel coated, you know that it is not going to stick. So sometimes I just like to use a thong, guys. So much easier. So just turn everything around. I'm going to let it cook a little bit longer. Did I turn this around? I'm not sure now. Unless I forget. Oh no, not. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook for a little bit longer. This is a cast iron casserole, guys. Sometimes I close it because when you close it, it gets really hot and the food kind of cooks in the steam while it's frying. So that's my idea. Okay, so I do that so that it's cooked inside, because sometimes, you know, chicken pieces they don't cook inside. So I want it to be thoroughly cooked. Okay, can you hear that sound? That means it's high heat, guys. So you have to be careful that it doesn't burn. Okay, because cast iron, once it heats up, the heat can go really high and heat won't go down for a very long time. So you must be very careful to not burn food as well. But I'm not so worried about this one because it's enamel coated, so you know it's easier. I have other cast iron utensils which I have to season it myself, so that is actually kind of difficult, and I have to be very careful that it doesn't burn. This one, perfect, not a problem. So the logic or the chemistry or whatever is that once the once the bubbles start to form on the top of the food, that means the food is cooked. But as for me, guys, I like it really cooked. So I think that's the Indian in me. I'm not sure. So I'm going to leave it for a little bit longer. But it's for those of you who like a nice juicy pieces of chicken, you can take it out now. Time to take this batch out. If you want your chicken to be nice and crispy, put it on a grid, guys. Like a grid. Oh, okay, let me see if I can show you. That way, it cools all around, and the chicken will be crispy. I'm not doing that today. Something like this, guys, but the one that you use for cookies. Something like this, guys, but the one that you use for cookies. With smaller, with grids on it, that one is perfect to make your chicken nice and crispy. I'm going to put in the next batch, guys, but remember that the heat is very hot now, so you have to make sure you turn it quicker. Just for a short while, guys, because the oil is very hot at the moment. Time to turn. These pieces, guys, are thicker, so the insides have to cook a little longer. So I'm always a little careful to cook it a little longer, but you have to be careful that it doesn't burn because the oil is very hot at this stage. Yeah, and for some reason, I don't know why I had another piece of the other part of the wing. Okay, turning it over, and maybe I'll lower the heat a little bit, just a little bit lower. Okay, and I'm going to close it and let this cook. Time to take out. As you can see by the bubbles, it's nicely cooked. So I'm going to take it out now. There you go, everyone. Beautifully cooked and delicious fried chicken, the way my mother-in-law used to make. I think she would be proud of me, you know, or she would have wanted me to practice law. It never worked out, guys. I did a law degree, but this is what I enjoy doing. Everyone, if you are on the platform that starts with a T, and if you're interested to get that beautiful cast iron casserole, do click on the yellow bag and get it. And for those of you who are not on that platform, and if you did enjoy my dish today, give me a heart, give me a like, do share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel. Here's Shakila Shanmugam signing off. Bye, everyone.